I don't know what those are. We'll see what we have. Yeah. Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry. My friend Myles, we're milling this log up for him today. What do you need on this out of this, Myles? 3/4?
3/4, as much we can get, widest stock we could have.
All right. Myles, tell them what your business, name of your business. Third Coast Creative?
Third Coast Creative.
Check him out. He's on Instagram. He's got a Facebook page, website. Third Coast Creative does some really cool things. Check out some of the things he's built. He makes some Michigan keys he's made in the past. Does a lot of videoing, stuff like that. So check it out. Third Coast Creative. So we're going to get this cut up. It is 18 inches, and that 18-inch cant will yield, I'm sorry, an 18-inch log will yield 13-inch cant, perfectly square, but we're going to do better than that. As you know, I'll leave a little waiting on the first couple, so we'll probably get a 15-inch cant out of this thing. So, hey, stick around. Myles is also a photographer. He's going to maybe move the camera around a little bit for me today. He's also going to be our swamper, so this won't take long. I like. Maybe I put it away. Huh. Right there. Right here. Yep. We'll go down. We'll take off. We'll let them go get second ladder. We'll not tractor. It'll be efficient. There'll be a lot of board there. 15. Nice looking log.
Okay, guys, that will do it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you at the sawmill next time. Take care.
Guys, we got 15, about 14 inches. Yeah, it's 15, 14 inches by 3/4 by 8 foot long. So Myles should be happy with this.